Saturday, everybody. It's a very beautiful day today, and we are going to explore Great Falls Park. It's a little bit on the crowded side though, so it's probably best not to come on weekends if you can avoid it. But it is a very beautiful park, so let's go ahead and have a little excursion. So as you can see behind me, it's really crowded. We are actually in overflow parking. You do see a couple of available spaces, but we're like at the very back. Really beautiful day today. It's supposed to get up to 57, and I brought one of my lighter winter hats, but actually I don't really need it at all. You can see the falls, some of the falls in the distance, but we're gonna have to try to find a way to get a little bit closer. Oh, and I totally forgot to tell you all, happy first day of spring. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer to the falls. Isn't this beautiful? Perfect day. It's very crowded for sure. If you can avoid coming on the weekends, like I said earlier, I would definitely try and come on a weekday. But it's definitely one of the most scenic spots in Northern Virginia and Washington, D.C. So whenever you're in D.C. and if you want to get away into nature for a little bit, this is definitely the place. So in this little strip of trail, there's nobody around, so I can vlog without people thinking I'm crazy. Oh, here come some more people. Bye. Okay, they passed. Hi again. All right, YouTube, can you help me out with this? What is that? That is awesome. That is a huge, huge bird. It is gigantic. Man. Wow. It's beautiful though. The overlook, and it is very crowded. I'm gonna try to get some video, try to get some pictures. I don't know how successful I'll be, but we'll see. It's one of the highlights of the park. Thank you all for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit like, and there will be more, so please subscribe. Hope you all have a great weekend and happy first day of spring.